Hey y'all, Polar Bear Ed here. Welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Weather here has been kind of gloomy, cold. All the winter weather stuff. So I figured it was a great time to do some comfort food. We're doing a beef roast, actually 2 beef roasts. They were given to me by a good friend of mine, Steve. Come off his farm. Very tasty cows he makes. So let's get to cooking. All right, y'all. Apparently the camera didn't work. We got our roast in the thing here, and you can see there's some liquid in there. And what we did is we took 2 cups of water, because we have 2 roasts. We added 2 packets of the zesty Italian salad dressing mix, 2 packs of the brown gravy mix, and 2 packs of the ranch salad dressing mix. Make sure you use the salad dressing mix and not the dip and all that. It does have a different flavor to it. And then we whisked it up, dumped it over top, and now we're going to cook it on low for 6-8 hours, just until the meat's good and finger flaky. It'll fall off the bone. So alright, I'm going to get this cooking, and we'll bring you guys back at that point in time. Alright, y'all. It's been a few hours here, and our roasts are getting pretty tender. That's what I'm looking for. So, yeah. We'll probably use a little longer, so we're going to go ahead and put some taters in here. Because I like taters. And we're using these little tricolors. So get the opening a little bigger there. Come on. Alright. There we go. There's reds and yellow, or reds, whites, and purples. So try to get them pushed down in there to where they're going to cook good. Down in the juicies. Alright. Okay. Got our taters in there. So I'm going to put the lid back on her and let her cook a little longer. So bring you guys back when it's all done and finished. Alright, y'all. It's been a little while. Them taters are good and tender. That beef's good and tender. So it's time to pull this stuff out and do our little taste test. So let's do that. Alright, y'all. Time for the taste test. So we're going to get one of the little taters there and grab us some of this roast beef here. Now this is going to be really, really hot because it just come out of the crock pot, but it is what it is. So let's try it. Y'all, that seasoning mix, that is awesome, and it makes a really nice gravy. So you can put it over. You can make mashed potatoes, do it over that. I drizzle it over the meat itself to keep it good and moist. So there you have it. Super simple beef roast. Very tasty, very easy, great for a nice winter's day. So appreciate y'all, love y'all. Hope you try this. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this out with your friends. So Appreciate it. And as always, bon appetit.